Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ria Jose and this is Just Life TV. It's August 15 and I'm 1 hour late to my only event today. We only have one event, but we have a meeting right afterwards, dinner meeting, and I have a task pa that I have to accomplish. But anyway, I'm on my way to Ellana premiere for the first ever Kadayawan ball. It's a fashion design competition organized by the Davao Fashion Designers Council. So thank you Sir Emmy for inviting us. Thank you for always inviting me and Davao vloggers. I really appreciate it. So anyway guys, ayan, I'm wearing my dress from Better Basics. Yes, after how many weeks of waiting, or months actually, for this. I'll show you later my OOTD. And then yes, MAC Patrick Star on my face and just the infallible foundation ko. Gihang ako guys kay I asked our helper to iron my dress, but gibutang niya sa washing machine. My gosh. So, and I didn't have a dress na backup na naka-prepare. Hanapin ko pa and everything. Buti na lang, ewan ko kung na-washing machine niya or ilalagay niya pa lang sa washing machine, whatever. Basta, lalaban niya sa ano. So, ayan. Anyway, ayan. See you there. So, today is the start of our Kadayawan weekend. Wednesday pa lang per weekend na kasi tomorrow we have 3 events. On Friday, we have a whole day event. On Saturday, we have, I think, 5. So, good luck to us. See you there. Happy Kadayawan, everybody.
the Eco Chic and Culture of Design Award is Mr. June Artaco. Again, the recipient of this special award, the Eco Chic and Culture of Design Award. Congratulations. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Cebu Pacific. Runner-up to receive 50,000 pesos in cash is Mr. Mark Joseph Sayan, Pakpak Diwata Dia. Congratulations, Mark Joseph Sayan. A round of applause, please. Thank you very much, and once again, congratulations. Runner-up of the Kadayawan Ball 2018 will receive 75,000 pesos in cash, and to present the award, may we request Mr. Rahul Laurel and Ms. Lulu Tangan to present the award together with Ms. Agnes Cupalor. And the Kadayawan Ball 2018 first runner-up is Richard Bulache, Canora, Barabangsa. Once again, thank you very much, and congratulations, Richard Bulache, our first runner-up of the Kadayawan Ball 2018. To present the award of the grand winner of the Kadayawan Ball 2018, may we request Mayor Inday Sara Duterte and the Ambassador of Israel. A round of applause for them, please. The grand winner to take home 150,000 pesos. Are you ready? The grand winner of the 2018 Kadayawan Ball is Christopher Zamora